second question is eliminate delays or time management. Now, in order to do the eliminate delay and time management, especially from the sampling point of view, and I know there are very, very tight timelines in which the sampling department works, it is very, very essential that we do the preparation right. Preparation means the preparation of the sample package that needs to be given. So whether the package is complete or not, do we have a checklist in place or not, in order to eliminate all the delays. Now often there are delays because the merchant has given a sample package wherein some or the other thing is still lacking. The pattern is still not fixed, or maybe the label is not there, or the buttons are not there, or the fabric is awaited. So there are so many things which, if anything is lacking in the package, there will be delays. Now if we want to eliminate all the delays, that means we have to prepare well in advance. And so first thing is that our preparation has to be very strong. Preparation has to be right. And time management, that means there are certain processes in the sampling. Now when we go through each process, we have to standardize each process, and we have to also allocate a benchmark time for each process. For example, there's a cutting time, there's a sewing time, there's a pattern making time. So can we do a standard time for these activities, wherein if we assign the time, now you will actually realize that if we see the process time of each activity through the sampling process, it is much less than the lead time that overall it takes to produce a sample. So we need to concentrate on the process time, and also eliminate the delays between each process so that we hit the lead time. So the whole idea, of course, the skill lies in the time management, and the time management will only come into place when we have benchmarked different processes with respect to time. So we have to have standards for every process. So that is a very important step which can eliminate all the delays and can help you manage your time better.